What's the difference anyway?
We're all monsters.
I am fat.
I am thin.
I am short.
I am tall.
Doesn't matter much at all.
We're all monsters.
And we love to play together.
And we love to stay together.
To spend all day together.
And we sing this song together. 'Cause we get along together. You bet.
Different noses, ears, and eyes.
Different colors, shapes, and sizes.
We could all win beauty prizes.
Yes, we're happy girls and guys. 'Cause we're together. We're all monsters.